Hello, I'm Stuart. Before we start, we want to share that this video uses AI for graphics and voice, but all the information is manually researched by our team. Here in the video, we will share the details for the Cyberpunk 2077 error code 92520. As per our research, the error comes when players try to download the Phantom Liberty DLC on PlayStation console. According to our research, the error is likely related to license or PSN sync issues, especially when the DLC was purchased or redeemed with a physical edition. First, restart your PSN console and try downloading the DLC again from the game menu. If the error still comes, then check if your PSN console needs any system updates. If yes, update it and check for the error again. If the issue continues, then try restoring licenses under your PlayStation console settings and check for the error. If you still get the error, then go to status.playstation.com and check if PSN services are currently down. If PSN services are working fine, then wait for some time and try again later. If the error still persists, then reach out to PlayStation support for further help. Thanks for watching. This is all we have for the error. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. See you in the next one.